Welcome. In this video, we'll explore customizing the horn and lock sounds on your Tesla Model Y or Model 3. As of December 2025, Tesla offers some official customization, but many users seek more advanced options. We'll cover both official and unofficial methods, with a strong emphasis on safety and legal compliance. Remember, unauthorized modifications can void your warranty, so proceed with caution. Tesla's V13 software, released in Q3 2025, officially supports custom lock sounds. Access this feature through your Tesla's touchscreen. Go to Settings, then Controls, then Lock Sound. You can choose from a library of preloaded tones like traditional chimes or bird chirps. In some regions like North America and Europe, a beta feature allows custom sound uploads. This is the safest and recommended method for personalizing your lock sound. Here's how the settings interface looks on your Tesla touchscreen. Unofficial horn sound modification presents several challenges. Currently, Tesla does not officially support custom horn sounds through the vehicle settings. Changing the horn sound requires unofficial methods, often involving hardware access or software hacks. These methods carry risks, including voiding your warranty and potential system instability. We'll explore some options, but remember to prioritize safety and legality. Be aware of local noise regulations. Unofficial modifications can void your Tesla warranty. This image shows a comparison of warranty terms, highlighting the risks involved. Potential system instability is another risk. This dashboard shows various warning lights that could appear if modifications cause problems. Finally, be aware of local noise regulations. This document outlines sound level requirements that custom horns must comply with. Always prioritize safety and legality when considering modifications. To understand how to modify Tesla sounds, it's important to know the basics. The lock sound is controlled by the Body Control Module, or BCM, and played through external speakers when the doors lock. Official changes are done through Tesla's software settings. This diagram shows the key sensors and computing components in a Tesla Model 3, including cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors that work alongside the BCM. The horn is a piezoelectric buzzer connected to the steering wheel button and the BCM. This buzzer creates the sound when activated. Modifications can involve software hacking or hardware swaps. This exploded view shows the components of a piezoelectric buzzer, including the housing, piezo bender, PCB with drive circuit, and wiring. Understanding this helps when considering hardware modifications. Remember, any modifications should be approached with caution, as they can affect vehicle warranty and safety. The first unofficial method for customizing your Tesla's horn sound involves software hacking using tools like TeslaMate or custom scripts to access the vehicle's API. This approach allows you to replace the audio files responsible for the horn sound. Tools like TeslaMate provide a dashboard interface to monitor your Tesla's status and access its API. This open-source software connects to your vehicle and allows you to view real-time data including charging status, range, and system information. To perform advanced modifications, you'll need to enable developer mode and use SSH to access the vehicle's underlying Linux operating system. This requires navigating directories, creating or replacing audio files, and executing commands through a terminal interface. Before proceeding with software hacking, take essential precautions. Use a VPN to secure your connection and protect against potential security risks. Create full system backups before making any changes to prevent data loss. Be aware that improper modifications can brick your vehicle, rendering it inoperable and requiring professional service. Success rates for software hacking methods vary significantly, with approximately 35% success for horn sound modifications depending on your model year. Be prepared for the possibility that over-the-air software updates from Tesla may overwrite your custom changes, requiring you to repeat the process. Remember, this method requires advanced technical knowledge and carries significant risks. Always consult with professionals and proceed with extreme caution when modifying your vehicle's software. Another approach to customizing your Tesla's horn is through hardware swaps, replacing the stock horn with an aftermarket unit. Companies like Klaxon provide professional alternatives that are designed for vehicles. You can also create custom buzzers using 3D printing technology, allowing for personalized designs that fit your style. The process involves carefully rewiring the new horn to connect with the vehicle's electrical power source, ensuring proper integration with the existing system. It's crucial to ensure that any aftermarket horn complies with local noise regulations, such as staying under 100 decibels in urban areas to avoid legal issues. However, this hardware method carries significant risks, including voiding your vehicle's warranty and potentially damaging car systems if not done correctly. Many online tutorials demonstrate horn modifications. One Reddit user successfully changed their Model 3 horn to an air horn sound using an OBD2 adapter and Python scripts. However, Tesla updates can undo these changes. Another example involves replacing the horn with a Bluetooth speaker, integrating it with voice assistants. These examples illustrate the possibilities, but highlight the risks and potential limitations. Experts in the automotive industry suggest that Tesla should formalize sound modifications to ensure safety and system stability. Automotive engineer John Volker notes that while unofficial modifications empower users, they can risk system instability, and Tesla should formalize these features. Surveys from Tesla Motors Club in 2025 show that 45% of Model Y and Model 3 owners have attempted sound customizations, with lock sounds being more popular than horn changes. Looking ahead, the trend in electric vehicles is moving towards greater personalization. This could include AI-driven sound personalization where the vehicle learns user preferences. Future Tesla software updates, potentially in V14 around 2026-2027, may officially offer horn customization options, expanding on the current lock sound features. In the meantime, for any sound customizations, proceed with caution. Prioritize safe and reversible methods to avoid voiding warranties or causing system issues. Always ensure legal compliance with local regulations. Thanks for watching.